So there's a few reasons why the balances might be different. So the balance in your ledger account, your ledger bank account, and the bank statement might be different. And some of the reasons are there could be a time delay between them, okay? Okay, so if you've lodged money into the bank, recorded it in your own accounts, but the statement was sent out the same day, so it didn't show this. So you've lodged money into the bank, you've recorded it in your own account straight away, but the statement might have been sent out the same day and it might not have updated in time. So there's the time delay there that might affect the differences, okay? A cheque that hasn't yet been presented for payment will not appear in the bank statement, but appears in the owner's bank account. So when you've paid for something with your checks, okay, and it comes out of your bank account in your ledger, you enter that in probably straight away or fairly rapidly. A cheque might not be presented for payment straight away, and that then won't show up on your statement. That means that if I've paid somebody by cheque, they mightn't have got the chance to go to the bank yet, okay? So there's a time delay there and a difference which might affect the balances. So then there's some of the reasons why the balances might be different, and another one then is unknown transactions, all right? And what that means is maybe bank charges, interest charges, an overdraft in the statement, but they're not in the owner's books. Okay, so it could be any of those things that come up in the bank statement which you weren't expecting or you might have forgotten about, which you didn't enter into your own bank account in your ledger, okay? If a cheque is dishonoured, it'll show up in the statement, but not in the owner's books. So that means if the cheque bounces, if it's no good, okay, that's going to show up in the statement, obviously, because the bank are aware of that, but you are not aware of that until you receive the bank statement. Therefore, you haven't been able to update your own bank account in your own ledger, all right? Credit transfers and direct debits will appear in the statement but might not in the owner's books. Again, you might forget to enter direct debits into your own bank account, but the bank statement will show any direct debits that might come out of the account. And then simply there might be some mistakes in either the bank account or the bank statement, but it's less likely to be in the bank statement, okay? So it could simply be entering the wrong amounts into the books. So human error, entering transactions into your own bank account, into your ledger, okay? Or simply entering the amounts on the wrong side. It could be a wrong, incorrect debit or credit, okay? And that will affect the balances, therefore making them different between the bank statement and the bank account.